what we do is the majority of these horses, with the exception of personal horses, have all come from bad experiences, been rescued, trauma. So again, that adds a element to what we're doing. And so to be able to help the vets in this case, the horses,
You want me to pull that pallet out
there's
the
no
other
more than a win-win there for me. And I've been in this perspective for 30 years, and I've seen some incredible things in that time. Not just things I've experienced, but also programs like this, programs around the country. And the reality is we've got to be aware of the fact that there's still returning veterans, and there's going to continue to be returning veterans. And so if we can, again, utilize the horse, because the horse has something so incredibly special in them that God put on them, that allows us to be able to let our guard down, and almost subconsciously. And then you start to become more conscious of it, and it's just absolutely incredible to see that transformation. It's just a beautiful thing. And so one of the things that we have hopes for here is to continue to have this program grow, and it is growing, and we're working with these horses to be the facilitator in change. And I say change as opposed to comfort, peace, because those things come with it. And so the change that we're looking for is I'm not bringing it out, I'm just setting it up. And it's magical. I mean, it's just a true blessing to see these things start to manifest.
Yeah, that's always been, as long as I've known him, he's had a weak spot. Yeah.
I just don't have words, really. I mean, it's emotional for me, because after 9/11, for example, I would have been one of the first ones at the recruiter's door if I hadn't already been hurt. So I have a real passion for what these men and women do for us and what their families go through. So it's important to me to be able to do as much as I possibly can in the time that I have available to help them and be part of it. So it's very important that the understanding is developed, because again, what we're trying to emphasize, and it's not something that we're saying per se, but we're seeing that when these individuals that are here, when they leave the pen, they can apply these things that they've experienced with the horse in other facets of their life, their relationships with their spouses, like Reno. He rekindled his relationship with his wife and his boy, and he was in a bad spot. He'll tell you that. And I mean, I've got great respect for his journey. Nicely done, my fine friend.